everyone, today we're going to take a detailed look at my new farmhouse decor mirror right here, which goes perfectly with the farmhouse vibe. As you can see, I've got going on in this bathroom, so let's check it out.
Installing the brackets is very easy and they're customizable, so if you want to show a longer beam up top you can, or a shorter beam. I went with something right in the middle at 1/2 inch down and 1/2 inch over. The frame size of this is 18 by 26 inches, not including the bracketed hardware, and we have a width of 1 inch here. We have a white wooden frame, and it's constructed with 4mm floating glass that gives us a clear and distortion-free reflection. As you saw in the beginning, I put this in my bathroom for a great accent over my sink, but it's got a good natural, industrial, retro, contemporary look, so you can use the mirror as a farmhouse style master bedroom mirror, one in the bathroom, or you can use it as a decorative accent in any farmhouse themed living space. And guys, rest assured this will come to you sturdily packed. I unpacked lots of foam and extra thick cardboard packaging to get this to me. And as you can see, it arrived in perfect shape and condition. We've got it all hung up now, and it looks super cute in here. I'm extremely happy with it. That black and white design goes with my black and white bathroom. And that industrial farmhouse look goes with everything I've got going on, with the tin horse in the background to the farm horses throughout my home.